I'll be going over this template titled Create Shopify Products from New Rows in Google Sheets. I am going to install this template to the Mesa dashboard. Then you'll be taken to the template setup instructions. You'll need to create a Google Sheets credential connecting Google Sheets with Mesa. You can start by clicking Sign in with Google. You will be prompted to select your account and create the Google Sheets credential. This next question, you'll need to name your spreadsheet. Then you'll need to select your spreadsheet columns. I would recommend keeping all of them. However, you could remove a couple. It is recommended to keep title. To summarize the steps for this template, it starts when a Google Sheets row is created, and this checks every hour. Then we need this filter step to check that we have a product title. If you do not have this filter step, you will run into an error in the next step. If we do have a product title, then we can continue to the next step. Otherwise, it will stop at this step. The last step is the Shopify Create Product. We'll create a product in your Shopify admin with the body HTML or description, product type, tags, title, vendor, and variants. And this includes the barcode, the compare at price, the inventory item ID, the option 1, price, and SKU. To test this workflow, you'll need to go back to the row created trigger, hit configure, and then view your spreadsheet that was created. Then you can fill in one row. Go back to the Mesa dashboard, go to the tests section, refresh the page, you'll see that it will retrieve that row that you added to your Google Sheets spreadsheet. I would recommend hitting Save Changes to pull in the correct data of this row. You can click View Data to see what types of data are being retrieved from the Google Sheets row. And then you can click Test Workflow to begin the test. The test completed successfully, and it has created a product in the Shopify admin. I'll go ahead and view my Shopify admin and refresh. And I can see that this test product has been added